Let's chat about chatbots, specifically AI chatbots. You know, those things you either love or hate on websites that give you funny or serious responses. Well, this technology has developed a lot in recent years. In this video, I'll be breaking down how AI chatbots work and the best use case for them for your business. My name's Jade, and I'm a content marketer here at giosg. We're the #1 sales acceleration platform, helping you build the ultimate online experience for customers. Are you ready to dive into the world of chatbots? Let's go. Let's start broad and then narrow in. So, what is a chatbot? A chatbot simulates human-to-human conversation with automated responses, thus replacing the need for an actual representative. Contrary to popular belief, not all chatbots should be considered AI chatbots. AI chatbots recognize natural language. These chatbots are trained by previous conversations. A great example of an AI chatbot is Siri with the iPhone. This is a bot that recognizes natural spoken language. To paint a clearer picture, here are the differences between an AI chatbot and a normal chatbot. AI chatbots have natural language processing capabilities. They learn directly from collected data over time, which is also known as a knowledge base. They improve based on machine learning, and they can recognize the intent of a query. Here's an example of an AI chatbot in action. Here you can see where the user inputs a question asking about the weather. The AI chatbot is responding using natural language and a conversational approach to answer the question. On the other hand, remember that normal chatbots are typically referred to as rule-based bots. With normal chatbots, users can only input what the bot allows it to. Thus, the bot can only generate help within that pre-programmed flow. Think of it like this. Normal bots give users the prompt or question that they should ask. This way, the conversation doesn't deviate away from the available topics. Here's an example. In this rule-based bot, the user is only given 3 options of what they can select from. This is a great example of how a rule-based bot can only work within that pre-programmed flow. Naturally, there are times when one chatbot is a better choice than the other. So let's look at the perfect instance where an AI chatbot is the best choice for your business. For example, with high-volume FAQs. You may be thinking, well, can't normal chatbots handle answering FAQs? They certainly can, but someone has to spend a lot of their time programming all of the different variations someone may ask a question with the same intent. To illustrate how you can ask the same thing in many different ways, let's think about the topic of shipping. Someone may ask, how long does shipping take? Where is my order? How fast will my package arrive? Do you ship on weekends? What is the delivery time of my order? These could all warrant the same answer. After processing, you can expect your order to arrive within 3 to 5 business days. The answer it gives is based on machine learning. It uses a knowledge base built on actual customer conversations in the past. With time, the AI chatbot will learn to be more confident in how to recognize the intent behind different phrasing. AI chatbots give a personalized feel and better accuracy based on experience with your customers. So the key takeaway is that AI chatbots are in a league of their own because of these benefits. They can guide customers even if they don't know the exact answer. They can understand a range of natural language and its synonyms that share the same intent. They give your website a bit of brand personality with natural flowing conversations. They provide the user with quick and convenient responses. And they work well for companies that have collected a lot of data. So, do you think that normal chatbots or AI chatbots would be better for your business? To learn more about AI chatbots, click the description to read our full blog post. Thanks so much for watching. Have a giosg day.